Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আমি কিছুমান সায়েন্সৰ MCQs ডিসকাস কৰিম। So general studies paperত আহা সায়েন্সৰ কোৱেশ্চনছবোৰৰ কাৰণে এটো এটা হেল্পফুল ভিডিঅ' হ'ব। So ভিডিঅ'টো স্কিপ নকৰাকৈ শেষলৈকে চাব। Okay, now let's start the video. First question, in humans which cell lack nucleus? So human beingৰ কোনটো cellত nucleus নাথাকে? ইয়াৰে right answer আছে option B, RBC. So RBC অৰ্থাৎ red blood cellsত nucleus নাথাকে। So WBC হৈছে white blood cells যত nucleus থাকে। Then monocytes and lymphocytes এই দুইটাই হৈছে white blood cells. Okay, so monocytes বোৰ produce হয় bone marrow আৰু lymphocytes বোৰো white blood cells হয় and they are a part of immune system. Humanৰ immune system যোনটো হয় immune systemৰ এটা part হৈছে lymphocytes. Next question, study of trees is called. Yare শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে option A, dendrology. Dendrology is the study of trees. Next হৈছে paleobotany. So paleobotany হৈছে study of ancient plants. Ancient plants, প্ৰাচীন যুগৰ plants. আৰু কেনেকে study কৰা হয় from fossils. Okay, যোনবোৰ fossils ৰৈ গৈছে, so fossils পৰা study কৰা হয় plants বোৰ আৰু এটো হৈছে paleobotany. Ethnobotany হৈছে study of relationship between plants and human beings. Plants are human beings or juntu relationship etuke koa hoy study tuke koa hoy ethnobotany. And palynology is the study of pollen grains. Okay, pollen grains, but this is also by using fossils fossils use kori study kora hoy. Okay, so study of trees is dendrology. Dendrology logot moi baki ketao bujai dilu monot rakhibo. Next question, which of the following is a communicable disease? Here right answer is option B, measles. Okay, communicable disease অর্থাৎ সংক্রামক বেমাৰ. So measles হয় by virus. Measles is a viral disease. Okay, so diabetes is a condition যেতিয়া human beingৰ bloodত glucose level to বাঢ়ি যায়. Okay, so that condition is called diabetes. So scurvy হৈছে এটা vitamin C deficiency বেমাৰ. This is caused due to deficiency in vitamin C. So asthma হৈছে এটা condition হয় যত যোনটো respiratory tract হয় হেতু ফুলি যায়. Okay, so these are different diseases আৰু ইয়াৰে ভিতৰত measles টো হৈছে communicable disease. Next question, the study of amphibians is called. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে option A, herpetology. So amphibians বোৰ কি হয় যোনবোৰ animals যোনে landতো থাকিব পাৰে আৰু পানীতো থাকিব পাৰে সেইবোৰক কোৱা হয় amphibians. Okay, so study of amphibians is called herpetology. Then next is ethology. So what is ethology? Ethology is the study of animal behavior. Mammalogy, it is the study of mammals. Okay, mammals. And then morphology. Morphology is the study of external part of a body. Okay, etuke koa hoy morphology. Next question, which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Waterborne disease নহয়. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে option B, mumps. Okay, mumps এটা viral disease হয় আৰু এটো এটা not waterborne but it is airborne. Okay, airborne disease. So typhoid হৈছে এটা disease caused by bacteria. Bacterial infection হলে typhoid হয় আৰু এটো হৈছে waterborne. Then hepatitis 2 is a disease caused by virus and this is also waterborne. And next is cholera. Cholera is also a bacterial disease and this is also waterborne. So typhoid, hepatitis, cholera, these three are waterborne except mumps. So mumps is airborne. Okay, so different types of disease নাইবা সংক্ৰামক বেমাৰৰ ওপৰত মই অলৰেডি এটা ভিডিও আপলোড কৰি থৈছো। কোনটো ডিজিজ কিহৰ কাৰণে হয়, ব্যাকটেৰিয়াৰ কাৰণে হয় নে ভাইৰাছৰ কাৰণে হয় নে প্ৰটোজোৱাৰ কাৰণে হয়, তো অলৰেডি আপলোড কৰি থোৱা আছে। যদি আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো মিছ কৰিছে তেন্তে মই লিংকটো ডেসক্ৰিপচন বক্সত দি দিছো, আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰিব। Okay, then moving on to the next question, name the acid released by ants during a bite. Here right answer is option D, formic acid. So কেতিয়াবা পৰুৱাই কামুৰিলে, হাতত কামুৰিলে নাইবা ভৰিত কামুৰিলে আমাৰ অকমান ইৰিটেশন হয়, খজুতি হয়। Okay, so এই ইৰিটেশনটো কিয় হয়? because ants পুৰে এটা এসিড ৰিলিজ কৰে মুখেৰে আৰু হেতুৱে হৈছে formic acid যাৰ কাৰণে ইৰিটেশন হয়। Next question, pollination by birds is called. ইয়াৰে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হৈছে option C, ornithophilia. So So pollination mane hoise transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower naiba different flower take koa hoy pollination. Aru pollination by birds is called ornithophily. Anemophily hoise pollination by wind. Entomophily hoise pollination by insects like honeybees. Okay, example. Next question. Third stage of metamorphosis of butterfly is. Here right answer is option B, pupa. Pupa is the third stage. First stage is egg. Okay, egg is the first stage. So egg or next stage is larva. Okay, larva. Larva is the stage 2. Tare next stage is pupa. Aru tar pisot ahe adult. Adult, and this adult will again lay egg ako koni paribo aru again a whole cycle to complete hobo. Okay, it is important question hoy khub hokonai ahi thake competitive exam on. So different stage bilakok monot rakhile hol. Next question. Color in flowers is due to the presence of pigment called. Here right answer is option D, anthocyanin. So flowers borot eta pigment thake called anthocyanin, jar folot flowers bul colorful hoy, especially red, purple and blue. Okay, so chlorophyll ki hoy? Chlorophyll eta green pigment hoy present in leaves. Then lycopene. Lycopene is also a pigment. Our fruits and vegetables are junto red color hoy. This is due to the presence of lycopene. Then carotenoids are also pigments. Our carotenoids are ki color kane responsible hoy jeneke yellow, orange and red. Okay. The next question, the pigment that gives color to skin, hair and eyes is called. So agor question ot ami flowers, fruits and vegetables or colors or kotha to koilu. Etia animals ot kuntu pigment thake, kuntu pigmente color die to skin, hair and eye. Here right answer is option B, melanin. So melanin pigment is responsible. The next question, in which organ carbohydrate is stored as glycogen? Carbohydrate to glycogen hisabe store hoi thake body kuntu organot. Right answer is option B, liver. So stomach is a part of the digestive system. Our stomach got protein digestion to start hoy. Okay, then pancreas. Pancreas eta gland hoy aru pancreatic juice secrete kore. Next is small intestine. Small intestine eta important part hoy karon digestion or pisot maximum junto absorption to small intestine hoy. Okay, that's why small intestine is very important. Next question, which of the following creatures use ultrasonic sound to catch their prey? Here right answer hoise option C, bats. Okay, so bats bure naiba baduli yote ki kore ultrasonic sound use kore nijor food to khaboloi. Okay, to catch their prey. So ultrasonic sound kak koy jonbur sounder frequency hoise more than 20,000 hertz. So take koa hoy ultrasonic sound, and bats use ultrasonic sound to catch their prey. Next question, which is the smallest bone in human body? Smallest bone is steps, S-T-A-P-E-S, or etu ear thake in the ear, cannot. Longest is smallest is steps, or largest is femur. Or femur to is thigh muscle bulio koa hoy, thigh bone bulio koa hoy, sorry, and it is present in the legs. Okay, largest and smallest bone in the human body. It is an important question hoy. Next question, apiculture is the technique of rearing. Here hutta uttor is option C, honeybees. So honeybees poha ke koa hoy apiculture. Silkworm, rearing of silkworm is called, any guess? Okay, then right answer is sericulture. Sericulture. Okay. Next question, the process of blood clotting is called. Here hutta uttor is option A, coagulation. So ketiba hat katile hator par tej ulai aru automatically tej to roi jay. Okay, that process is called blood clotting or coagulation. Next question, diabetes is a condition in which the level of dash in blood becomes high. So eto ami already পঢ়ি থৈছো এবাৰ আগৰ কোৱেশ্চনত ইয়াৰে ৰাইট আনসাৰ হৈছে অপচন বি গ্লুকোজ ওকে যেতিয়া ব্লাডত গ্লুকোজৰ এমাউন্টটো বাঢ়ি যায় তেতিয়া সেই কন্ডিশনটোকে কোৱা হয় ডায়াবেটিস ওকে সুক্রোজ গ্যালাক্টোজ মেল্টোজ এবোৰ সব কাৰ্বোহাইড্ৰেট হয় all these are carbohydrates okay but glucose is responsible for diabetes. Next question, how many pairs of chromosomes does a human cell have? Chromosomes kiman thake human cell or 46 chromosome. Eta question to hudise how many pairs kiman ase divided by 2 is equal to 6. So 23 pairs of chromosome. Next question, oxalic acid is found in options orange, tamarind, lemon, spinach. So oxalic acid is an organic compound hoy jonto sadharanতে basically leafy vegetables ot thake. So the right answer will be spinach. Next question, which of the following cell organelle contain DNA? Kun kita cell organelle DNA thake? Nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies. So nucleus etu thake DNA jak koa hoy nuclear DNA aru mitochondria to DNA thake naiba mitochondrial DNA buliu koa hoy. So the answer will be both A and B, both nucleus and mitochondria. Next question, which of the following insect is a vector of malaria? So vector mane hoise jone disease to carry kore okay from one organism to another aru the right answer is option B Anopheles mosquito. Actually female Anopheles mosquito is responsible for is a vector for malaria okay. Next question, the branch of medical science that deals with kidneys is known as? Here huddha uttor hoise option D nephrology. So kidneys poror nephron bulata nephron is a unit of kidney nephrons okay. So he nephrons or pora hoise nephrology. So urology is a branch of medical science that deals with the disorder of urinary tract. Cardiology, branch of medical science that deals with the disease of heart. Then ophthalmology, this deals with the disorder of eye okay chokur bemar. So ajiloke imane jodi video to sai bhal lagise useful boli bhabe tente please share koribo like koribo and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.